Hey lovely people, Tempest here from Times with Tempest. Thanks so much for taking a moment to stop by my channel. Today's video is going to be a really quick, short, simple video just to share with you the new setup in the home office. I alluded in the last video that I did in my office, it was an organize the office, clean with me type of video, that we were going to set it up a little differently. We're obviously both working from home. My husband has a dual screen setup, and so the one desk middle of the room setup that we had, it just wasn't cutting it. So we have two new desks, and I'm just going to show you a quick pan of the room and show you how we set it up. And if you have any questions, let me know. While you're here, be sure to give a thumbs up to this video and comment and subscribe. Thanks, guys. So I'm sure you are wondering, what in the world is this? That picture is the picture of our now office when we first purchased this fixer-upper a couple of years ago. The office space that we used was actually designed to be the dining room, and yes, it had green carpet over these beautiful original hardwoods, and it was covered in wallpaper. But no more. Here's a look at what we have now. So because this was the dining room space before, it is connected to the living room, and there is a pocket door that links it to the kitchen as well. But what you see in the video are, the two desks, that same IKEA cube system that you saw before. There's my little arts and crafts cubby over in the corner. The desks are matching. The chairs are two chairs that we actually already had. And so we're just going to use those to save money there. I am surprised that we have been able to keep these bookshelves organized since I did that last video. I just rearranged some of the artwork that I had and some floral stems. So I'm really loving the new space. You guys need to let me know what you think. Aside from the desk, which was, I guess, the major overhaul in the space, we did upgrade our Wi-Fi system so that we didn't have the bulky router and everything out on top of this system, and we transitioned over to the Google Nest Wi-Fi, and this is the original box. We're really enjoying it, and it's helping improve the range across the house, so we recommend it. Well, that's it, folks. I do want to leave you with this. It's one of my favorite pieces. I grabbed it from Target a while ago, and it says, live the life you've always dreamed of, be fearless in the face of adversity, never stop learning, use your imagination whenever possible, recognize the beauty that surrounds you, emphasis on be you, remember where you came from, but never lose sight of where you're going. Thanks again, guys. Take care.